tumbled stones are awesome. They're readily available, they're super cheap when compared to other larger and cut and polished stones, and they come in a great variety. So when you're a beginner, they are a great option for building your crystal collection when you're starting out. However, once you start working with crystals more regularly or more seriously, they are really unsuitable for bodywork because they roll all over the place. We're human beings, we're not statues. So when you're working on the body, you know, people cough, we get itchy and wriggle, we sneeze, we breathe. Even just breathing of the stomach going up and down can cause tumbled stones to roll all over the place. So when you're working with crystals on the body, I definitely suggest working with flat stones like this one here. They sit much more nicely on the body. They're less likely to roll around. You can get them in smaller size as well. These are called cabochons or palm stones. And they'll just sit nice and flat on the body, and they'll definitely withstand a little cough, a little sneeze, and even a fidget here and there.